Hey there, science fans! Welcome to another exciting journey into the wonders of the human body and mind. Did you know that your sense of smell is a powerful time machine? Yes, you heard that right. Our noses can transport us to different times and places in an instant. It's true. A whiff of freshly cut grass can transport you back to childhood summers, where the days were long and the adventures were endless. Just imagine the sun on your face and the wind in your hair as you ran through those fields. The aroma of your grandma's cookies might evoke warm memories of family gatherings, holiday celebrations, and the love that filled the kitchen. The smell of those cookies baking can bring back the laughter and stories shared around the table. That's because our sense of smell is directly linked to the emotional center of our brains, known as the limbic system. This part of the brain is responsible for our emotions and memories, making the connection between scent and memory incredibly strong. This connection is powerful. A single scent can trigger a flood of vivid memories, both good and bad. It's like opening a photo album in your mind, where each smell is a snapshot of a moment in time. Think about it. Have you ever walked into a place and instantly felt transported back in time just by the smell? Maybe it was the scent of an old book, a particular perfume, or even the smell of rain on the pavement. That's your incredible sense of smell at work. It's constantly working behind the scenes, connecting us to our past and enriching our present experiences. But what about unpleasant smells? They can be just as powerful, but in a negative way. Unfortunately, those can have a negative impact on our mood and even our health. Bad odors can make us feel uncomfortable, stressed, or even sick. That's why it's so important to understand how odors work and how to keep our homes smelling fresh and clean. By doing so, we can create a more pleasant and healthy living environment for ourselves and our loved ones. Get ready to explore the fascinating science of smell and discover some surprising solutions for a more pleasant living space. We'll delve into how different scents can affect our mood, productivity, and overall well-being. Plus, we'll share tips and tricks for maintaining a fresh-smelling home, from natural remedies to the latest in air purification technology. So, stay tuned and join us as we unlock the secrets of our sense of smell. Whether it's the comforting scent of lavender to help you relax, or the invigorating aroma of citrus to boost your energy, there's a whole world of scents waiting to be explored. Let's embark on this aromatic adventure together. We've talked about the good smells, but now let's get real. Bad smells are more than just unpleasant. They can affect our mood, concentration, and even our sleep. Imagine trying to work on an important project while a funky smell wafts through the room. Yuck! Distraction alert. A smelly home can also be embarrassing when you have guests over. Nobody wants to be known as the stinky house on the block. Plus, persistent bad smells can sometimes mean there's a bigger problem lurking, like mold or mildew. Remember, our homes should be our sanctuaries, places where we can relax and recharge. A fresh-smelling home is a happy home. So, let's roll up our sleeves and learn how to combat those unwelcome odors. Now let's identify the offenders. Home odors can be a real nuisance, but understanding where they come from is the first step to eliminating them. Every home has its own unique odor profile, influenced by factors like cooking habits, pets, and even the local climate. These factors combine to create a distinct scent that can be pleasant or at times quite unpleasant. But some common culprits tend to pop up in most households. Recognizing these can help you tackle the problem more effectively. First up, we have our furry friends. Pets bring joy and companionship, but they can also bring some unwanted smells. As much as we adore them, pets can leave behind lingering odors, especially if accidents happen or their bedding isn't washed regularly. Pet dander, fur, and even their food can contribute to a less than fresh-smelling home. Next, we have the kitchen, the heart of the home, and often the source of both delicious aromas and not-so-delicious smells. Cooking, especially frying or using strong spices, can leave behind lingering odors that permeate the entire house. The smell of last night's dinner can linger long after the meal is over, especially if you've been cooking with garlic, onions, or fish. These strong scents can cling to fabrics and surfaces, making them hard to eliminate. And let's not forget about damp areas like bathrooms and basements. These spaces are often overlooked but can be significant sources of unpleasant odors. Excess moisture creates the perfect breeding ground for mold and mildew, releasing that musty, unpleasant odor. Bathrooms, basements, and even laundry rooms can harbor these smells if not properly ventilated and cleaned. Don't worry though. Identifying the sources of these odors is the first step towards banishing them from your home. Regular cleaning, proper ventilation, and using air purifiers or dehumidifiers can make a significant difference. Additionally, consider using natural odor absorbers like baking soda, activated charcoal, or even houseplants to help keep your home smelling fresh. With a little effort and attention, you can enjoy a pleasant and inviting home environment. Section 4. Fighting funk with science, absorption, masking, and nature's remedies. Time to put on our scientist hats and explore the science behind odor elimination. There are three main approaches: absorption, masking, and natural remedies. Absorption is like sending in a sponge to soak up those pesky odor molecules. Baking soda, activated charcoal, and certain types of clay are excellent natural absorbers. They work by trapping odor molecules and neutralizing them. Masking, on the other hand, is like covering up a bad smell with a more pleasant one. Air fresheners, scented candles, and essential oil diffusers are common masking agents. And then we have nature's remedies. Plants like peace lilies, spider plants, and English ivy are natural air purifiers, absorbing toxins and releasing fresh oxygen. Other natural odor eliminators include coffee grounds, vinegar, and citrus fruits. Section 5. Beyond baking soda, surprising solutions for a fresher home. We all know about the classic odor busters like baking soda and vinegar. These household staples have been trusted for generations to keep our homes smelling fresh and clean. But what if I told you there are even more surprising solutions out there that can do the job just as well, if not better? But are you ready for some surprising solutions you might not have considered? Let's talk about vodka. Yes, you heard that right. The same spirit you might enjoy in a cocktail can actually be a powerful tool in your cleaning arsenal. That's right, the same spirit you might find in a cocktail can actually neutralize odors. Vodka is not just for happy hour anymore. Its high alcohol content makes it an excellent disinfectant and deodorizer. Simply mix equal parts vodka and water in a spray bottle and spritz it on fabrics, carpets, and even in the air. This mixture is perfect for freshening up your home without leaving any harsh chemical residues. The alcohol helps break down odor molecules and evaporates quickly, leaving behind a neutral scent. It's a quick and easy way to tackle those stubborn smells that just won't go away. Another surprising odor buster is newspaper. Remember newspapers? They might seem old-fashioned, but they have some hidden talents beyond just delivering the news. They're not just for reading anymore. Newspapers are incredibly absorbent and can be used in a variety of ways to keep your home smelling fresh. Crumple up some newspaper and place it in shoes, gym bags, or even the refrigerator to absorb unwanted odors. The paper will soak up moisture and odors, leaving your items smelling much better. And here's a fun one. Use vanilla extract. This kitchen staple isn't just for baking delicious treats. Soak a cotton ball in vanilla extract and place it in a bowl in your refrigerator or car to neutralize unpleasant smells. The sweet aroma of vanilla will fill the space, making it feel warm and inviting. The sweet aroma of vanilla will replace those unwanted odors. It's a simple and natural way to keep your home smelling delightful without relying on artificial air fresheners. Fresh flowers are another wonderful way to add a pleasant fragrance to your home. Not only do they look beautiful, but they also provide a natural and refreshing scent. Choose flowers with strong scents like roses, lilies, or lavender to make the most impact. Place them in different rooms to spread the lovely aroma throughout your home. Coffee beans are another unexpected odor neutralizer. Place a bowl of coffee beans in areas where you want to eliminate bad smells, like the kitchen or bathroom. The rich aroma of coffee will help mask unpleasant odors and leave your home smelling fresh and inviting. Plus, it's a great way to repurpose old coffee beans that you might not use for brewing anymore. Essential oils are another fantastic option for keeping your home smelling great. Choose your favorite scents and add a few drops to a cotton ball or diffuser. Place the cotton ball in strategic locations around your home, or use a diffuser to spread the scent throughout the room. Essential oils not only smell wonderful but can also have therapeutic benefits, helping to create a calming and relaxing atmosphere. Activated charcoal is another powerful odor absorber. Place a small container of activated charcoal in areas where you want to eliminate bad smells, like closets or bathrooms. The charcoal will absorb odors and moisture, leaving the space smelling fresh and clean. It's a natural and effective way to tackle even the toughest odors. Finally, don't forget about the power of citrus. Lemons, limes, and oranges can all be used to freshen up your home. Place slices of citrus fruit in bowls around your home, or use the peels to scrub surfaces and release their natural oils. The bright and zesty scent will leave your home smelling clean and invigorating. So there you have it. Some surprising solutions for a fresher home. Give these tips a try and enjoy a cleaner, more pleasant living space. Section 6. Freshness for well-being. The power of a pleasant-smelling home. Remember that connection between smell and emotions we talked about earlier? Well, it works both ways. A fresh-smelling home can have a positive impact on our mood, reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Think about walking into a clean, fresh-smelling home after a long day. Instant tranquility. It's like hitting the reset button on your mood. Plus, a fresh-smelling home just feels more inviting and welcoming. It's a place where you can fully relax and be yourself. So let's make our homes havens of freshness and positive vibes. Section 7. Join the Science Squad. Well, that's the science of smell for you. Remember, a fresh-smelling home is a happy home. So try out these tips and tricks to banish those bad odors and create a more pleasant and inviting living space. And if you loved learning about the science of smell, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more fun and informative science adventures. Thanks for watching.